DJI Neo Mini Drone. The DJI Neo is a pocket-sized drone that weighs less than your phone and can take off from your hand. It shoots in 4K, follows you automatically, and even responds to gestures. Perfect for travel vlogs or flexing on Instagram. Kepwam Heated Coffee Mug T2+. Keep your coffee hot for up to 8 hours. This mug has 3 temperature settings, touch controls, and looks clean on your desk. It's like having a personal barista, minus the judgment.
By the way, all the gadgets I mention are linked in the description below. Some of those are affiliate links, which means if you grab something through them, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It really helps support the channel, so thank you.
Click and Grow Smart Garden Wild Strawberry Pods. A mini garden that grows itself. Just pop in the pod, add water, and boom, fresh strawberries in weeks. It's self-watering, pesticide-free, and smart enough to adjust light and moisture on its own. Rocketbook Fusion Reusable Notebook. Write, scan, wipe, repeat. This reusable notebook syncs your notes straight to the cloud, so you'll never lose ideas again. It's sustainable and futuristic all at once. Govee Glide Wall Lights. Transform your room into a vibe. These RGBIC lights can show 24 colors at once, sync to music, and respond to voice commands. Every setup looks 10 times cooler with these. Tile by Life360 Mate. Lost keys, lost wallet, lost mind? Tile helps you find it all. Track anything with your phone or even make your phone ring by pressing the tile. Super useful, super tiny. Insta360 GO 3S. This thumb-sized camera records in 4K, is waterproof, and can mount anywhere. Attach it to your car, your dog, or your cap and get buttery smooth cinematic shots with zero effort. SwitchBot Blind Tilt. Turn dumb blinds smart. The blind tilt motorizes your window blinds, adjusts automatically with sunlight, and charges with solar power. No electrician needed, just clip and connect. Remarkable Paper Pro. Feels like paper, acts like a tablet. Write naturally and everything is saved, searchable, and convertible to text. Now with color support, it's every creative's dream device. Novium Hoverpen Interstellar. A pen that floats, literally. Using magnetic levitation, it hovers at a perfect angle and spins forever. It's part writing tool, part desk art, and full conversation starter. Energized Lab Eilik, an adorable mini robot with personality. Eilik laughs, cries, and even gets jealous of other Eiliks. It's like having a tiny emotional support robot on your desk. Auto face tracking tripod 360 degrees. No cameraman? No problem. This tripod automatically tracks your face and body in 360 degrees, keeping you perfectly centered during vlogs or TikToks. It even has gesture control and a built-in camera, so no app required. Genius. Nanoleaf Skylight. Turn your ceiling into a light show. These modular LED panels create glowing sky patterns, change color with your mood, and sync with your music. It's like owning your own sunrise. Furbo Mini 360 2K QHD pet camera, because your pet deserves smart tech too. The Furbo Mini rotates 360 degrees, tosses treats, and even alerts you if your dog's in danger. You can talk to your pet, see them in crisp 2K, and fling treats from your phone. Slightly over the top, but adorable. Lofree keyboard. A mechanical keyboard that feels as good as it looks. Smooth, silent, and insanely comfortable to type on. It brings retro design and modern performance together. Every keystroke just feels right. Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 300. For all your power-hungry adventures. The Jackery Explorer 300 packs 293 Wh of backup power, charges phones, laptops, and even mini fridges, and recharges via solar panels. Perfect for camping, travel, or blackouts. Basically, your personal power plant.
If you want to check out any of the gadgets featured in this video, the links are all down below. And yep, some of them are affiliate links. So if you decide to grab something, it helps support the channel and lets us keep making more awesome videos just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more amazing tech finds every week.